Hey guys, today we're going to make pumpkin spice cake pops. Normally I make pumpkin spice cake pops with the spice cake and then pumpkin puree along with some Cool Whip. But when I went into the grocery store today, I saw they actually have a pumpkin cake mix. So I'm going to try that along with some cream cheese icing. So this will be a little bit different recipe than I normally do, but we're going to see if it works. So if you want to be up to date with my latest videos, please click subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. So let's get started. So the next step will be crumbling the cake in the mixer. The cake is still a bit warm from taking it out of the oven, but it also helps it cool a little bit quicker just when you start crumbling it up. Next, we're going to add half a container of icing. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the almond bark in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time. It's cake pop time. So what we'll do with the leftover almond bark is we will use it for the drizzle. So I am going to color this in orange color, and you want to use oil-based food coloring. If you use water-based, it will separate and be clumpy. I put all my old baby spoons to good use. That way I never had to get rid of them. So you want to apply even pressure while you're moving your hand back and forth. So now I will give the board a quarter turn and we will drizzle them like that. And now it's time to arrange them.